Introducing HomeArt. HomeArt, a company presenting DIY products for your home, with creative and cool designs. First, let's get into product buying experience. Get into HomeArt web portal. Here we can select from the ample of ingeniously designed products. Now, let's buy one of product. Say pencil stand. We received products in 3 units. Let's assemble it. After assembly of units, voila, the pencil stand is ready. This way, either user can buy products with DIY approach or user can buy pre-assembled final product to save time. Of course, price of both approach differ. The key here is to change user experience of online shopping. Thank you.